Hey everybody, how are you doing? Well, I thought I'd come on with a Dollar Tree haul. I did go to the Dollar Tree today, and it was just nice to get out and look around because I haven't done it in so long, except for my grocery shopping. So I'm going to show you what I got. Okay, some of it isn't exciting. Other things I think you'll find a little bit more exciting. But I needed cling wrap, so I got some cling wrap. I love this popcorn. The brims. I'm just going to show you the stuff that isn't so exciting first. And I got straws. Don't judge me, but I did. I have not been able to find flour in the regular grocery store, so I got this flour. And, you know, I mean, beggars can't be choosers, right? So now I'm still trying to find brown sugar. I'm on a quest for that. I got these potato chips are really good. They really are. I was shocked, but they are. They're very good. And then, you know, it's getting hot now. Today it was 86. So I had to get a new brush for the barbecue. That's all of like the stuff that's not really that exciting. So let's go on now to the other stuff. So I'm doing a bee theme in my summer decor, but I will also have the Mackenzie Child in with it. But they had some really cute tea towels. Now, I didn't find the one tea towel that said, be happy, I can't remember. Anyway, it was in black and white, if I'm not mistaken. I only saw the one that said honey with the, but what I did get, and these are nice, I couldn't believe, this one's kind of thick actually, because usually Dollar Trees aren't that thick. But I got this one, and this one is Every Day is a Fresh Start, and it's got a lemon on it. So I got that. Guys, I'm going to turn on this other light. Then I got this one. I thought this was pretty. It's just black and white. But these are the ones that just, I almost started crying in Dollar Tree reading these two. A paw, a house is not a home without paw prints. And then this one, when I needed a hand, you gave me your paw. And that's sweet. That's the one I almost cried at. Got a couple, well actually I got 4 of these good sized terracotta pots, because I'm going to be doing a DIY with these for summer. And I'm showing you this stuff so I can get it put away tonight. I got these glass saucers because I'm going to be doing a couple DIYs with these. And I didn't want the big plates. I just don't have use for the big plates, because what I'm going to do with these I can put with plates I have already, and you'll see when I'm done. I got a couple of the wooden, this is a slotted wooden spoon, and this is like a spatula, but I'm going to do something with these for my decor for summer. And then I got 2 of these doilies because I'm doing something with these for decor as well. Oh, and then I found these, and I love ginger. I love ginger ale, and this is spicy ginger. So I don't know, but I love ginger. You know, ginger. I mean the actual spice, and it's soda with 100% real sugar, like I need it. But anyway, I got a couple of those, so I'm going to try to let you know if they are any good. Then they had this tissue paper. And I always look for tissue paper, pretty tissue paper, because you can do a lot of cool DIYs with tissue paper and napkins. And then I got some popsicle sticks because I'll be doing some faux desserts. You guys, I couldn't believe the one that I went to, and it's right down the hill from me. I mean, I can get there in like 3 minutes, which, I don't know, it could be really bad, but they have a whole craft section now, and it is nice, and it's clean, and they keep that store. I am so thrilled to finally have a Dollar Tree that looks halfway decent. Lot of wood. So they had these little flowers. Aren't those cute? And again, a lot of times I'll buy one and then I'll make it the pattern and make more on my own. So, you know, I'm not buying a whole bunch of one thing. And then they had potting soil. I'm not going to take it out, but they had potting soil because when I did my grocery shopping at Walmart, I got some basil and a tomato plant, so I got to plant those. Then they had the patriotic stuff. They had a whole aisle on one side of patriotic. I'm not going to get much because I have a lot of stuff. I'm only going to get a few things, and I'm going to focus more on my grandson London. For you that are new to my channel, my grandson London was born on the 4th of July. And so I'm going to gear more towards my decor, a lot of it with him in mind. So I got this. Didn't get much as far as patriotic, to be honest with you. I think this is all I got, actually. Got one of the jars, the mason jars, and it says USA. But I'll probably be using that side as well. And then I got this one, and this is new. This is, I like it because it goes lengthwise instead of across. So I've been cleaning out my craft room for the last week, you know. And so I wanted to get all this out because I don't want this laying around. So I'm up in my craft room right now. And I want to just put it away, but I wanted to show you first before I did. Look at these paper plates. Aren't these cute? They're shaped like a flower, but I have an idea for those. And again, like I told you, they had an art section now, craft section, I should say. Quite a few stencils, and these are nice. And then they had the lowercase as well. And then I got a couple of these wreath forms, and then I got a big one of 14 inch as well. But they had two for $1, so that's cool. And some floral tape. I got a big black plate and a smaller black plate. And I got some of this red wire. I really like this wire because you can really, it's very pliable for different crafts. I just got some batteries. Then I got these black socks. Those are going to be for a DIY. Okay, here's a couple more of the wood that I was telling you about. You get 10 pieces of wood, and it's in the shape of flowers. I'm going to be doing a DIY with these. But $1. And this is nice wood. And this was in the wood section as well. And then I got this kitchen towel. And I'll show you what I'm going to be doing with this. But this is for a craft. And then I had bought some of these flowers already, but these were so pretty, and they only had one of these left. Dang it. And they're a very, very pale yellow. I don't know if you can tell or if they look more yellow, but they're not, I don't know what kind of yellow to call it. It's not butter yellow. It's lighter than that. It's almost like a chiffon yellow, if you will. Really, really pretty. But I did find some of these which I thought were cute because, like I said, for for summer, I'll be doing, you know, bee theme and my lemon, and all this will go with that. Aren't those pretty? And then these, what are these? Zinnias. Now that, they're almost the same actually, they're almost the same shade, just a different flower. And then the daisies, and this one is white with a little hint of yellow. But aren't those pretty? I mean, Dollar Tree is really doing good with these flowers. And then I got some of this tissue paper, the red and white. Now, if this was black and white, this would be the perfect courtly check like Mackenzie Child. And what I'm going to do with this, since I don't have a stencil, I'm going to try my hand at just taking a pencil and, well, I'll show you how I'm going to do it. But anyway, I got this really for more or less a, well, I can't say stencil, but I'm going to be using it to try my hand at the black and white courtly check. And the wood section again. Look at this flower, you guys. Look at this flower, how big. It's nice. And they have all different shapes. They had hearts, the flower shape. What were the other shapes? There were other shapes, and now I can't remember. Well, anyway, so I got one of these, and then I'll use this for a pattern. And these I thought were so cute. These are gift bags, but I'm not going to use it for a gift bag. I'm going to use it for a decor piece. But look when you open it up. Look at the sides. Isn't that cute? And it opens up and looks like a purse. It is adorable. Isn't that cute? So I got two of those. Actually, what you could do is you could take this apart, and I've been known to do that. Take it all apart, and then you have a pattern, and you could make your own. Because this is even flimsier than a cereal box. So you could take this and make your own pattern, use the cereal box and put it together with just regular paper. So that's an idea for you. And I got this stencil because I'm doing a scrapbook hop on May 1st. So if you're interested, be on the lookout for that. And it is being hosted by Tiffany Solorio. And I did a hop with her last year, if you remember, Craft with the Heart, when I made, let me show you, when I made this. I don't know if you guys remember. But I'm doing a hop again with her this year and other ladies from all over the world. So that'll be May 1st. But I got this stencil because it's all different stars. This is a nice stencil. $1. And then I got this, okay, and this was with the summer section. And it's cute, but that's not what I'm using it for. I just want this part of it. What size is this? Doesn't say. I'll have to look. Anyway, so I got that, and like I said, it's for the other side. But I might put that out, you know, if I don't use this before summer's over, I may put that out. I don't know. But that isn't what I bought it for. And then I got some more of the skewers, these bamboo skewers, because I do a lot of different crafts in my faux food. A lot of times I will use these. And then these dowels I got because I'm doing a DIY and I need these to do it with. And I've been wanting to do this DIY with these you'll see, probably a couple years now. And so this year I'm determined to get it done. And we are almost done, guys. And then I got this stencil as well. And it just has different words: love, joy, gratitude, success, believe, faith, create, dream, family, thankful, all kinds. And all you have to do is just tape off whatever you don't want to use and just stencil on the words you do want to use. So these kind of stencils are really nice because they go for all kinds of different things that you might be making. And then I bought this one. This is stickers, but look how pretty that is with the little scooter. And then the hydrangeas, aren't those pretty? And then look at this little hydrangea. It's supposed to be an ice cream cone and the flowers of the ice cream. Isn't that cute? And then in the craft section, they had this little palette. And I love using these palettes to put my acrylic paint in when if I'm painting my faux food or candies or whatever, just to put out a little bit of the paint and then just close up your bottle. I always like these little palettes. And then this was in the summer section. And these are wood. These are little wood pieces. And it's watermelon, pineapple, and oranges. Or this could be orange or lime or lemon slices. But how cute are those? And then I got this with the flip-flops and the palm trees. So I thought that was cute too. Some ties, Ziploc ties, I need those. Here's the other plate, the littler black plate. And then that's it, just another package of wood dowels. But guys, that is my haul. Oh no, I take that back. There's a couple more things. Hold on. Got this galvanized little bucket, and you can hang it if you want. I like these kind of little buckets. And then this just blew me away. This was in the barbecue section, okay? These are huge. These are, it doesn't say, but I think it's at least 36 inches. But these would be nice if you want to have certain things really tall. I mean, they're dowels. They're no different than this, only they have a point on the bottom or on the top of it. But this I am going to use for crafts. And then because I'm loving the bee theme, look what they had. And these aren't going out in my yard. I will incorporate these into my bee theme in the house. So guys, that is my Dollar Tree, and it is, I think this is the biggest Dollar Tree I've ever done, ever. But I wanted to pick up everything that I saw, because you know that if you see something, you better pick it up. And I have not been going out, so I just went ahead and did it all. I will have a video up shortly. I've taken a few days off. If anyone was wondering, I had to get this room in order, and just in my mind go through the things that I want to start doing and writing it down on paper. So you will be seeing more DIYs, but be on the lookout on May 1st for the scrapbooking hop. And I don't know what time I will be on, but if you look into my community post when I know that my time, then I'll let you know on that. So until we get together again, remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. I'll talk to you soon, guys. Bye.